me the guitar. I tried to sing my song, and all the stars who seemed so far, in dreams I lived among. I thought that I could make it, that one day I could see the city lights in summer nights of Nashville, Tennessee. We bought an old Ford diesel, drove miles and miles around. From east to west, we tried our best to make that country sound. I joined the Grand Ole Opry across the deep blue sea, and spent the night dressed up in white in Nashville, Tennessee. But I'm afraid my hope and faith I'm losing in the end. The polish on my boots is gone and won't return again. But in my heart I treasure the golden memories, and in my dreams I walk the streets of Nashville, Tennessee. There are many country lovers who walk life's country road. Some survive, but many die from their heavy load. I wish that I could make it, and once we'll find the key that finally opens up the door to Nashville, Tennessee. But I'm afraid my hope and faith I'm losing in the end. I feel like in a rodeo, drop down in the sand. But in my heart I treasure the golden memory, and in my dreams I walk the streets of Nashville, Tennessee. In my dreams I walk the streets of Nashville, Tennessee.